we are going to revise factors and multiples, and also we will see a few activities from the textbook. Let us briefly see what multiples are. Page number 41 in your maths reader. First one is example 2. Multiply and complete the table. Let us complete the table now. Keep your readers open and observe the vertical columns and the horizontal columns. We can see in the vertical columns numbers from 1 to 12. Even in the horizontal column numbers from 1 to 12. It is nothing but multiplying. 1 into 1 give you 1. 1 into 2 give you 2. And so on. Multiply 1 by each number and write the product in the first row. Second one. Second number is 2. So 2 into 1 gives you 2. 2 2s are 4. So you can fill this row now. Next number is 3. Multiply 3 by 1, get 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. You can write here the table of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 respectively to get the answers filled in. So thus filling the numbers give you the answers like this. If you observe, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. So when even the rows and the columns both are the multiples of 1. And the numbers in the second row, if you see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21, 24 are the multiples of 2. Same way, third row multiples of 3, fourth row multiples of 4, fifth row multiples of 5, like that. Each row is the multiple of that number. Now if you observe this table carefully, 1 is a multiple of 1, that is 1 1s are 1. Next one is 2, 2 1s are 2. Next one is 3, 3 1s are 3. Like that if you see, 4 1s are 4, 5 1s are 5, 6 1s are 6, 7 1s are 7, 8 1s are 8. Like this if we see, each number is the multiple of itself. So each number is the multiple of the same number. And if you observe the first row, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2. If you multiply any number by 1, you will get same number as the product, which means every number is the multiple of 1. May it be 12, may it be 13, may it be 14, may it be any number that you know, that is the multiple of 1. So we learned two things. Every number is the multiple of itself and every number is the multiple of 1. Page 42, let us now complete this activity from the reader. Which are the two numbers to be multiplied to get the product 8? So which are the possibilities of getting 8 as the product? Now first one they have given is 1 into 8 give us 8. So 2 into dash give you 8. 2 into 4 gives us 8. Third number, 4 into dash gives you 8. Same here, 2 4s are, 4 2s are. Last one, 8. How many times gives you 8? That is 8 1s are 8. Which means these numbers can divide 8 exactly, and thus 1, 2, 4 and 8 become factors of 8. Find the factors of 48. Let us see another example. Let us take number 48 and let us find the factors of 48. Now 1 is the first number. 1 48 times give us 48, or 48 1 times give us 48. Second number is 2. 2 24 times give us 48, or 24 2 times give us 48. Next number is 3. 3 16 times give us 48, or 16 3 times give us 48. Let us continue. Next number, let's take 4. 4 how many times gives you 48? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. That is 4 12 times or 12 4 times give us 48. 5 how many times gives you 48? 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 3 will remain. 5 cannot be the factor. Take it out. Number 6. 6 how many times gives you 48? 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48 or 8 6s are 48. Next, number 7. 7 how many times gives you 48? 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. So 7 6s are 42. 6 remains. We get remainder. 7 cannot be the factor. Take it out. Next is 8. We have already written 8 6s are 48. So we can directly go to 9. Without writing this again, you can directly go to next number. 9 how many times gives you 48? 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. So 45 plus 3 is 8. So 3 will be the remainder. 9 cannot be the factor. Take it out. Same way if we go, if you take 10, that gives you the remainder because 10 4s are 40. 8 will be remaining. 10 cannot be the factor. Take 11. 11 4s are 44. 4 will remain. 11 cannot be the factor. Next number is 12. If you observe, we have already written 12 here. 12 4s are 48. 13 cannot divide 48. 14, even 15 cannot divide. 16 divides 48 3 times. That is 16 3s are 48. So remaining any other numbers in between do not divide 48 exactly. So next after 16 it is 24. Then after 24 it is 48. If we ask to write the factors of 48, what are we going to write now? When two numbers are multiplied to get the product, the numbers multiplied are called factors of the product. Why did I say this line again is because to get 48 we have to multiply at least two numbers. Then only we can get 48 as the product, which means both the numbers become factors of 48. So now it is easy for us to list the factors of 48. They are 1, 48, 2, 24, 3 and 16, 4, 12, 6 and 8. If we list them in an ascending order, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. These are the factors of 48. We have already seen that 48 is the multiple of these numbers. This is how we can conclude saying that 1 is a factor of every number and every number is the factor of itself. The factors of any number either will be equal or lesser than the number. They can never be greater than the number. This we have already completed in the example. Now we can see 2 and 24, 24 and 2, 8 and 6, 6 and 8, 1 and 48, 48 and 1, 12 and 4, 4 and 12, 3 and 16, 16 and 3. The numbers are repeated here. You need not write the numbers twice. You can write each number at once because multiple means the product of the two numbers. So both the numbers, if they are repeated, you need not write. So all numbers you write at once. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. You can see here. These are the factors of 48. So again, let us recall. We can conclude that when two or more numbers are multiplied to get the product, the numbers multiplied are called factors of the product. So we can observe the following table. When a factor divides the multiple, there won't be any remainder. So we can conclude that a number is a factor of the given number if it divides the given number completely, leaving 0 as remainder. 2 can be the factor of 48 only if the remainder is 0. 3 can be the factor of 48 only if it completely divides the number, leaving 0 as remainder. 8 can be the factor of 48 only if it divides 48 completely without leaving any remainder. Same way, 12 can be the factor of 48 only if 12 divides 48 without leaving any remainder.